Welcome to Beautyistic. Ever wondered if a single product can truly make a difference in your hair care routine, especially when it comes to bleached hair? Well, today we're taking a closer look at UNITE Hair's Blonda Oil, a luxurious argan oil designed specifically for bleached blonde hair. This little bottle promises to seal, repair, and nourish chemically treated hair, and the best part? It's paraben-free, vegan, and cruelty-free, all while delivering a sweet floral scent. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see what this product brings to the table. First, let's break down what makes this product stand out. The star ingredient here is argan oil, which is renowned for its deeply moisturizing and nourishing properties. Argan oil is packed with essential fatty acids and antioxidants, making it an excellent option for repairing and revitalizing dry, damaged hair. If you've ever had your hair bleached, you know how fragile and prone to breakage it can become. That's where a product like this can really shine. The UNITE Hair Blonda Oil is marketed as ideal for chemically treated hair, which is great news for those of us with blonde or platinum shades. Whether you're rocking highlights or a full bleach, your hair is likely in need of some extra TLC. This oil claims to seal moisture in, repair damage, and provide a healthy shine, all without the weightiness of heavier oils. Using the product was a breeze. After shampooing and conditioning, I applied a few drops to towel-dried hair, focusing on the ends where damage tends to show the most. The oil absorbed quickly, leaving behind a smooth texture without any greasy residue. It also gave my hair a soft, natural shine. The floral scent is light and pleasant, lingering just enough to add a touch of freshness, but not overpowering. The real test for me came when I styled my hair. After applying the oil, I blow-dried my hair and was immediately impressed by how it tamed frizz and gave my strands a sleek, polished finish. I've used a lot of oils, and many can leave a greasy feel or weigh hair down, but this one seemed to balance moisture without adding unnecessary heaviness. It's light enough that you could use it every day, but it also provides that luxurious feel that makes you feel like you're treating your hair to something special. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this oil delivers on its promises to moisturize, repair, and smooth hair without making it greasy or weighed down. The floral scent is a nice touch, and I really appreciated that it's paraben-free and cruelty-free, an added bonus for those who prioritize ethical beauty products. The packaging is simple yet functional, and the 4.23 ounces size is just right for regular use without feeling like you're constantly running out. On the flip side, one downside I noticed is the price. It's on the higher end for an oil, and while I believe the quality is there, some may find it hard to justify the cost, especially if you're on a tight budget. That being said, it's definitely a more specialized product for bleached hair, so if you've invested in your blonde look, this could be the perfect addition to your routine. As for value for money, I do think the quality justifies the price point for those who regularly bleach or color their hair. The nourishing and reparative qualities of the oil are worth it, and it's a product that could last for a few months with regular use, making the price a bit more reasonable in the long run. When comparing it to other products on the market, there are certainly some more affordable options, but few that deliver the same level of targeted care for chemically treated blonde hair. Some alternatives are heavier oils, which might work well for coarse or thicker hair, but could leave finer hair feeling greasy. This oil strikes a great balance, so it's ideal for a wider range of hair types, especially those with finer or more delicate strands. Build quality-wise, the oil's packaging feels sturdy, and the dropper allows for easy control over how much product you use, which helps prevent waste. Plus, the oil itself is lightweight and doesn't clog or feel sticky, which is important for daily use. As for customer support, I've heard positive things about UNITE Hair's customer service, though I haven't had direct interactions with them. They're known for being responsive and resolving issues quickly, which adds to the brand's credibility. If you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely some options out there. Brands like Moroccan Oil or Away offer similar argan oil-based products that are also great for repairing damaged hair. However, the focus on blonde hair and its specific needs with this product does set it apart a bit. For a more budget-friendly option, consider the OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco, which offers many of the same benefits without the premium price tag. In conclusion, UNITE Hair's Blonda Oil is a fantastic product for anyone with bleached blonde hair looking to repair and maintain their strands. It provides excellent moisture, a smooth finish, and a lightweight formula that doesn't weigh hair down. While the price might be a bit steep for some, if you're serious about hair care, this product is worth the investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you've tried this product or have your own thoughts on it, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.